Good morning, everyone. Myself Moole Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is top and free command. Let's see the demo. Top command is used to see the Linux processes. Okay, using top command, you can see the Linux processes. For example, I'm using top command. If you observe here, we are seeing like PID, and we are seeing which user it is running, and also CPU and memory, and from what time it is running, which command is taking more CPU and memory. You can check that process information here, Linux process information here. Majorly, this top command will be used. For example, you have deployed application in Linux server, example in deployed in Tomcat, but the particular application is it is slow. The reason is might be it will taking the particular Tomcat application, might be it is taking CPU or memory more. Okay, you can verify from here using top command. For example, here, if you observe here, it is running CS systemd, it is taking 0.5 memory. Okay, here it is taking 0.0. Okay, but in real time, might be if the particular application is taking more, you can able to verify here CPU and memory. Based on that one, we can take action. For example, in case if the particular CPU and memory is taking more, the particular application will be restore that particular service. Okay, using that particular top command, we can verify the particular Linux processes. Okay, this command will be frequently will be used, and if you want to exit from there, just give the control C. If you give the control C, you can exit from there. Fine. Next one is free command. What is the uses of free command? Using free command, you can get that particular memory information. Okay. Example, I'm giving here free. If you give here free, we have two things, memory and swap memory. Okay. Coming to the memory, if you observe here, total how much used, how much free, how much shared, how much cache, and how much is available, it is showing everything. But if you observe here, it is showing that numbers. We can't understand that. If you want to see the human readable format, you can give free -h. If you give the free -h, it will be display human readable format. If you observe here, total memory, we have 965 and 74 used, free is 692. These things are shared how much and how much cache is taking, how much total is available 756. Everything we are able to get. Might be you will get that what is the usage of swap memory. In case this particular memory is completed, this swap memory will be used. Okay, but currently this swap memory is 0. In real time, some of the use cases will be create a swap memory also. In case this particular memory will be complete, we will be get out of memory. Instead of getting out of memory, if we set up swap memory, in case this particular memory is completed, it will be using from the swap memory. Okay, got it right? And you can use free -k. K means it will be display the kilobytes. And in case if you want to display MB, you can give -m. -m, it will be display MBs. In case if you want to display free -g, it means it will be display GBs. Currently, we don't have any GBs, right? Highest is 965 MB. That is the reason it is showing 00. Okay, got it right? You can verify, if you can get that kilobytes, bytes. Okay, and you can get GBs, and also you can get MBs based on your requirement. Free command also we can verify, use frequently. The reason is sometimes you have to know how much memory is available, how much used, everything. Using this free command will be checked. I hope understand that what is the uses of top command and free command. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.